Hey guys, this is how to use Wix mobile app. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the app, and today I'm going to be discussing the basic features of the Wix mobile application. So from here, just simply go ahead and tap on get started when you don't have an account, or if you have an account, just tap on I already have a Wix account, and from here just continue with Google, Facebook, or email. So just simply log in into your account, and now once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the home page of the application. So for the first one is you will see the analytics. And from here, when you tap on view more, you will see here more detailed analytics on each category. So now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see the contacts, and you should be able to see the payments, which customers can pay you online if you have a payment method connected. And down below, you will be able to see the pay links, which you can charge clients once or multiple times on the share links. And down below, you will see here the invoices that you have, and they will be appearing over here. And down below, you will see price quotes, which you can send a price codes to potential customers in minutes. And if you scroll down on more, you'll be able to see here the proposal, which you can win more clients with a professional proposal, and you should be able to see all of your proposal over here. And down below, you will see the forms activity, media storage, and the notification. And lastly, you'll be able to see here the task and reminders that you have, and down below you'll be able to see manage widget. So when you tap on that, you'll be able to see here multiple widget that you have, and you can just simply minimize it if you don't like it to show up into your homepage. So it will be depending on you, and this is what we discussed earlier, all of these. And if you want to remove them from your homepage, you can just tap on the minus icon, and after that you'll be able to remove it from the homepage and just tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. So now you can go for activity, which you will be able to see here some notification and updates, and you can go for add, which you can add multiple options here. You can go for invoice, pay link, announcement, price codes, and social post, email campaign. So it will be depending on you. And now you can go for inbox, which you will see here all of your messages, or you can go for manage over here, which you will see here multiple categories as well. And now if you want to change your site, just go to the top left corner. As you can see, we have here the tester. This is the name of my website. And from there, you'll be able to go to your different site, and you'll be able to see the analytics and the other stuff. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.